Guys, look at that bounce. Ah, gosh, it looks so good. My hair looks so good. Look at that, look at that, look at that. That's beautiful. That's absolutely beautiful. Hello ladies, my name is Train Juliet. So I just put my hair in twists so it'll be easier for me to detangle. So you can also work in sections, you can work in 4 parts. You could choose to section your hair or you could choose to twist like I did, but it really depends on you, it's your preference. So for me, I prefer to handle my hair in medium sections, well, small to medium sections, because my hair is really thick and it's really full. So this method works best for me when I section it like this. So I'm going to start from this one here, and I'm going to be using my beautiful aloe vera just to get that moisture boost, and I'm going to show you like how it works. Firstly, I'll be using 1.5 leaves of aloe vera. It looks like 3 leaves, but then it's actually 1.5 because the top part of this one that I'm cutting right now is the first one on the tray. So I'm using 1.5 leaves because this quantity is great for my hair length. And if you're new to my channel, my hair is actually waist length. So if your hair is shorter, then you just need a leaf or even half a leaf. So half an aloe vera leaf. So the first thing I do, as always, is to cut off the spikes. That's the first thing you should ever do when you're trying to use aloe vera. Cut off all the spikes to make sure that you're able to easily peel off the aloe vera and get the gel out. In case you don't know, aloe vera has many great benefits for natural hair. This includes promoting hair growth, restoring the hair's natural pH balance. It also cleanses natural hair by removing dead skin cells with its proteolytic enzymes. It's also great for moisturizing and soothing the scalp to prevent dandruff. And it's also great for treating hair loss. So once you're done peeling the back of the aloe vera leaf, I always make sure to use a spoon to scoop out as much of the gel as possible of the leaf. So in this case, I'll be using a hand mixer because I just wanted it to be quick and easy. So I'm just scooping everything in, and then I'm going to blend it for about a minute or 2, just to pulse it a bit to make sure it's broken down properly. And this is what it looks like. Usually when your aloe vera is properly blended, it begins to foam at the top. So once you see that, then your aloe vera gel is absolutely blended. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take a sieve. This is the most important stage when you're using aloe vera for your hair. I always say this so much. You have to sieve your aloe vera. Don't use it directly on your hair, especially if you have natural hair, because it will definitely leave bits. And you don't want to be walking around with aloe vera bits stuck in your hair. It's one of the most frustrating things because they're so tiny and so annoying. So what I do is I sometimes fold my cheesecloth into like 4 squares, so it's like quadruple sieving it because I don't play games with it. I have to make sure that everything is sieved properly, so just to make sure that I don't have any bits stuck in my hair. So yeah, so once that's done, this is the way the gel looks like. And once you have this all filtered properly into a bowl, the next thing that you need to do is to take your extra virgin olive oil. This is the brand that I have that I'm going to be using. I just had this available. You can use any extra virgin olive oil brand that you have available, and I'll be taking half a cup of this because I am using 1.5 leaves of aloe vera, so half a cup of olive oil would be great. If you're using more aloe vera gel, you should use a full cup. It depends. And if you're using less, then you use 1/4 cup. So add the extra virgin olive oil, half a cup, and then you're also going with pure honey. This is pure fresh honey, and I'm also going to be using half a cup and pouring it into my mix. These 3 ingredients together are amazing for my hair, and this is what you need for that deep moisture treatment. And this is a great aloe vera deep conditioner that you can use weekly or bi-weekly or monthly. Just use it regularly and you will see the difference in your hair. You would notice the shine. You will notice how much easier your hair is to detangle, and the health of your hair overall will look amazing. So this is the mix for the moisture bomb. This is the mix for the deep moisture, deep conditioning moisture treatment. So now let me show you how to use it.
Okay, so there are two ways you could do this. You could, take it from the bowl and apply directly to your hair, or you could just dip your hair in it. So I am going to go for the quicker method, which is dipping my hair in it, so I don't get my floor and my clothes all messy. So I'm just gonna go like that and just dip. And then I squeeze it. See, can you see how way down it is? And then I just squeeze the excess out. All right. So next I apply the parts to the roots, because I didn't dip my roots in, and I just go in and apply it as close to my roots as possible. So a word of caution, in case you haven't tried aloe vera or honey or olive oil on your hair before, please make sure to do a patch test before using any of these ingredients on your whole head. And that goes for any kind of DIY you're using, even rice water. Make sure you do a patch test first so you don't react negatively, all right? So as you can see, it's so easy to detangle. Can you see how the curls are just pulling apart so easily? You see that? The shed hair is literally sliding right off. So this is shed hair that came off, plus the one that had come out previously. So this is what it looks like. So when I'm done with the section, I do the same thing. I twist it all back up. Just for convenience and just because I wash my hair in twist as well, so I need to twist it back up to prepare it to be washed in twists. That's that for that one. So I'm going to show you guys with this one more time, and then I am going to do the rest off camera just to save time. Then I'm going to dip my hair into the mix. So I'll take my mix again and just dip my hair into it. And then, can you see that? Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. See that? See that? And then I'm just gonna push it down just to remove the excess. Just to remove the excess. Alright. Then once we're done, we begin detangling. As you can see, my hair immediately begins to react. My curls begin to pop. You know, detangling is a breeze because my curls are already separated from the effect of the aloe vera gel. And I just pull my curls apart. So easy. See that? Super duper easy. So this is the shed hair for this one. It's like clumped up. Because of the aloe vera gel activates the curls, it clumps up. So this is what it looks like for this one. Very, very minimal shedding. I do tend to shed quite a lot, but this one is super minimal. Alright, it's an up close look. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what the difference between this hydrated curls and this dry one. Let me take off my glasses. Guys, look at that bounce. Ah, gosh, it looks so good. My hair looks so good. Look at that, look at that, look at that. That's beautiful. That's absolutely beautiful. It's amazing. Ah! Oh gosh, I love it. See. Look at that, look at that. Ah, yeah. Hi, so I'm all done now, and as you can see, my hair is so shiny and so soft. I detangled it so quickly, and I've still got about a quarter left in the bowl, and I'm just gonna go in once more and just dip my hair just to get the extra in, because I don't want to waste anything. So this is a really messy process, so make sure you have like a towel around your neck. Mine fell, but make sure you do have a towel around your neck, and also make sure that you have like newspapers or old magazines on the floor, so cleaning up could be really easy. So yeah, I have more tips on my website. So I'm just gonna squeeze the excess off lightly, so because I wanted to weigh my hair down just a little bit. And once I'm done with this deep moisture treatment, I am going to cover it with a plastic bag. To be honest, I really don't want any to go to waste. That's why I'm still like going in with it. I'm making sure that my hair absorbs like all the goodness. So this is the last of it. And I'm just going to put this on my edges. And my nape. So this is my deep treatment moisture mask, using only 3 ingredients that you can find at home in your kitchen, or in your kitchen and garden. So there's no excuse that natural hair products are expensive. You can choose to put your hair under a shower cap, or you can rinse it out immediately, because I find that it works super fast. But I want to leave it in for about 5 to 10 minutes, and yeah, I'm just going to show you what it looks like once again. My hair is absolutely and completely hydrated. It is amazingly soft. I don't know how else to explain it, but it is super soft. And yeah, so I'm just going to put I'm just going to put this plastic bag over my head. So loud. For about 10 minutes. I'm gonna leave it in for about 10 minutes and then rinse it out as usual. Okay, so I'm just gonna take off the plastic bag now. Look at that. Ah, look at that. So soft. You can always tell when natural hair is moisturized. You could just always tell. I need to get this off my face. Look at that. Look at that, look at that. Oh gosh, that looks amazing. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, family and your followers or subscribers, and obviously don't forget to live well, live great and pray always. Take care lovelies, God bless you, bye.